Hello, today I'll show you how to replace the touch of iPad A219097. These are 7th generation iPads. So I'll now show you how to replace the digitizer or the touch screen, whichever one you know with us. So the first thing I'm going to do is to get my heat gun. I'm going to use mild heat on the edges of the iPad to loosen the glue on the edges of the iPad. We have to be as careful as possible, try as much as possible to avoid the middle, that is the main screen itself, so as not to damage the main screen, because these screens are expensive. So after applying heat to the edges of the screen, I am going to get a very flat substance like this. I'm going to gently pry open the edges of the touch and loosen the glue there. I'm going to do it all the way round the screen, but you have to be as careful as possible when you get to the part where there is cable, so as not to cut the cables. So especially the cable at the right hand side of the iPad, this is where the touch cable is located, in case you just want to replace only the screen and not the touch itself. So the glue is out. I'm going to gently remove the touch now sideways towards the right hand side, and then I'll get access to the screen. We have 4 screws that is holding the screen down to the panel. I'm going to lose out the screws. So when you get to the screws on top, the 2 screws on top, they are hidden with this black substance. You have to gently lift up the black substance and lose out the screws. You have to be as careful as possible, because this screen of this device is very expensive, so you have to be as careful as possible. It's not something you rush. Take your time. So the screw is out. I'm going to gently lift the screen up from the top downward, because the flex of the screen is towards the right hand side bottom of the screen. That is where the flex of the screen is. So you have to be as careful as possible when you are raising the screen up, so as not to damage the flex of the screen. You can see. So gently raise it like this, and then up, downward. So the screen is out. This is the battery, and this is the flex of the touch, and this is how the screen was located, because I didn't show you how I removed the screen initially. So I'm going to gently lift up the flex of the touch. It is clipped to the board, so lift it up as careful as possible, and then remember to remove the center button flex also. Raise the clip there and remove the center button flex. So it is out now. I'm going to replace it with a new one now. So this is the new one I'm going to replace it with. So come along with me as we fix it. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel.